I don't think it matters what industry you're in, you can always get better at what you do. And I guess the other key takeaways from this course particularly is that you can start at the micro level and you don't have to be thinking about the big things to change. Everyone should be thinking about something little every day that makes a change, bringing that in and then building on that.
What has come across to me mostly is that we need to take a more simple approach to the way that we're doing lean rather than implementing tools for the sake of putting a tool in place. We need to look at what our needs actually are at this time and use the good tools that lean provides.
Wanted to come on a course like this where I could join all the dots, where you see a lot of different businesses and they have Kanbans and various aspects, and you see things working and things not working. So this is just to help put all those dots together and help everything flow.
I really enjoyed that Kanban system. The Kanban system was a great visual tool that I felt was one of the things that we'd lacked in, was actually going through that visual training of this is how a Kanban process actually works, and we could reinforce it to particularly our staff that were here, how simple it really is and effective at the end of the day.
What has really stood out in this Kaizen Masterclass series is the simplicity, the back to basics approach to lean thinking. We can get caught up in all the technical stuff, kind of is the polishing or the end product of what we're trying to produce, but the whole back to basics, keep it simple approach around Kaizen, around 5S, creating flow in Kanban was fantastic for me. It gives, as I said, it gives me the opportunity to review everything we're doing and think again, get back to basics.
I do feel other companies should embrace this Lean Masterclass. It's a great opportunity to get vision and ideas, and also learning exactly what is actually happening in Japan, presenting their case to us so we can learn from them, not exactly role model, but we take their ideas and we implement them to our situations back here.